Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back to Learn with Nadia. Welcome back to another lesson. In today's video, we are going to learn English sentences that we used in our daily life. So let's begin our today's English learning lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Repeat after me to improve your pronunciation. First sentence is खाना लाओ, bring food. लीजिए ना एक, have one. राब्ते में रहना, stay connected. उधर ही रहो, be there. चलो मिलते हैं, let's meet. Let's meet. अब पढ़ो, now read. Now read. उसे रोको, stop this. Stop this. उससे पूछो, ask her. Ask her. उतार दो, take off. बाएं रखो, keep left. Keep left. बाएं रखो, keep left. किस्मत ही खराब है, bad luck. उसे ढूंढो, find him. Find him. मेरे पीछे आओ, follow me. Follow me. कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. It's okay. पहन लो, put on. Put on. आओ भी या आगे आओ, come on. Come on. तकल्लुफ मत करो, don't bother. Don't bother. अगली बार, next time. जागते रहो, stay awake. Stay awake. अभी वहीं रुको, now stay there. वक्त खत्म, time is up. Time is up. उन्हें और दिखाओ, show them more. Show them more. बैठ जाइए, have a seat. Have a seat please. बहुत अच्छा है, it's great. It's great. इसे पकड़ो, catch it. Catch it. उसे नहीं, not him. Not him. इसे ट्राई करो, try this out. इसे अभी ट्राई करो, try it now. सब अच्छा है, all is well. बस भी करो, stop it. Stop it. बहुत हो गया, enough is enough. कहाँ जाना है, where to go. फिर से सोचो, think again. छोड़ो उसे, leave it. Leave it. हार मान लो, give up. Give up. उसे खत्म करो, finish it. इसे खत्म करो, finish it. बस यहीं, right there. चलते बनो, walk away. इसे लिखो, write it. Write it. So guys, that's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Activate the notification bell. Thanks for watching.